Ciao Milano, ISC Cobotics is presenting Cobi 18 Pulire 2023 with our Italian partner ISC, Stefano Grosso. Stefano, so what is your impression of the show so far?
But it has been 2 busy days. Good number of visitors, good interest. We were making a little bit of noise with all the robots going around. So people step by, ask questions. They're all interested or intrigued by robots. So good vibes.
Very good to hear. What do you say is your first impression of Cobi? And what do you think was the impression of the customers visiting your booth?
Well, the impression is that it's a smart machine in terms of the fact that it combines technology and very easy of use, so everybody can use it. And this is one of the reasons we picked Cobi over the offering of the different kind of robots, and it also fits our.
We are happy about it.
Yeah, and it also fits the mentality that we like about robots. So they should be something that will be easy to use by anybody, because at the end of the day we have to clean floors. Yeah. So a cleaner can be easily involved in something as simple, and it can operate a robot, and that's what we like about Cobi too.
One last question: why also you think that Cobi stands out, and how will you describe Cobi in one word?
Well, it stands out because it put together advanced technology and knowledge of cleaning. So it's something that a cleaner can use because it has everything a scrubber dryer should have, but at the same time it has technology, it can run by itself, and so it's the past of the future in one single piece of technology.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
In one word, user-friendly.
Clever.
Innovazione sicuramente.